Introducing Techatron, effortless tempered glass installation. Take out the applicator and installation kit from the package. Inside the kit, you'll find a wet wipe, dry wipe, and dust sticker. Clean your screen with the wet wipe. Use the dry wipe to remove any moisture. Eliminate any remaining dust with the dust sticker. Let the arrows guide you from top to bottom as you align the applicator with your phone. Align the tempered glass applicator with your phone. Peel off the protective film as shown. Press gently along the arrows until the tempered glass is fully set. Remove the applicator from the bottom of your phone for a flawless finish. And you're all set for perfect protection.